Hi kitties, I just woke up. Welcome back to my channel. So today for breakfast I decided to tell you guys what I make every morning because I really don't change my breakfast. I do probably like one slice of gluten-free depending on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I don't have bread. I always do 1 chicken sausage, 2 eggs. Now some people might say this is really easy, but I'm going to show you guys the best way to make scrambled eggs, and I promise you it isn't as easy as it looks. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I decided to show you guys how I make my favorite breakfast. I know I'm not wearing any clothes. It's because I just woke up and I don't feel like getting dressed. So the first thing you're going to do is take out your cutting board, right? And you're going to cut the chicken sausages. Now I love these because they're no pork. You see that? I'm a Muslim. No pork. So you take out the sausage. And guys, bear with me these next few days. I just started this. My mom is yelling at me like, your lighting sucks. You're talking too much. So I'm going to upgrade and I'm going to get myself a better camera. It's literally coming from Amazon today. And the camera has lighting. So you guys will be able to see a little better. Just work with me, guys. And let's just make breakfast together and have fun. Let's turn our fire on. You don't want it that high because the sausages really will just burn and they won't really cook on the inside. So again, you want to just do a rough chop on these, right? And you can pretty much throw them in now. You don't have to wait till the pan gets hot because as the pan gets hot, they'll just keep cooking. So that's that. Put this away because we're done. Second thing, I used 2 eggs because I never really get hungry for more than 2 eggs. You can use more than that. Some people really are into like protein, so they'll do like 1 egg yolk, 4 egg whites, or just all egg whites, or maybe 3 eggs if you're like a hearty breakfast person. And let's make toast. Now, for those of you who are like, I'm keto, I don't eat bread, I hear you. Okay, I starved myself for 2 freaking weeks to go to Vegas so I could fit into a freaking bikini. That was a shit show. So, you know, I didn't even eat bread forever. So I'm just toasting the bread, and you want to keep on turning the sausages.
So you keep tossing the sausages. I cut them in cubes so that they cook way faster, and just keep on cooking until it's finished.
So we are going to make the eggs. Pan on. You want to do canola oil. I know I said do away from the fire, but work with me. You see how the pan is screaming hot? That's how I make my eggs. You want to get them in as quick as possible. Okay guys, so the pan is screaming hot. That's how you want to make your eggs. You want it to be smoking hot. I know this sounds weird, but I promise you, my mother told me this and I never went back. I just sprayed a little bit of that. Oh, my toaster just scared the shit out of me. I just sprayed a little of that canola oil spray. I usually use coconut spray, but that's all I had today. So you want to make sure that the pan is screaming hot, and do not crack the eggs in a separate bowl. You're cracking it right on flame. Boom, right? Garbage. Again, you got to work quick. Trust me. Garbage. Boom. All right. Now, salt, a little bit of pepper, and mix right away. Mix it. You see how it's kind of a fried egg, but it's not? Keep mixing. And just keep mixing. Okay. It's coming together. Keep mixing it. Now, a trick that I figured out, because I'm such a huge breakfast person, if anybody knows me, you know I love breakfast so much. When you smell the egg, that means it's done. Like a lot of people are like, wait, is it too runny? Is it too cooked? The second you actually start to smell egg, take it off the fire. That is why I'm such a weirdo. If somebody makes my eggs overcooked, I will literally fight you in the streets. No, I won't, but yes, I would. Look at that. I smell the egg off, quick. You gotta make that really, really fast, guys. You do not want to mess that step up. And that is my basic breakfast. A piece of toast. Put it down. Okay, guys, so this is my breakfast. I used a little bit of light butter, a little of that, nice 2 eggs, 1 sausage, and honestly this fills me up till about, I don't know, 2-3 hours after I eat. I'm the type of person, like I mentioned before, I need to eat all the time. So if I can make a hearty breakfast that'll fill me up. Remember, if you're going keto or if you just don't want to eat bread, take this out. It is gluten-free. I find it to be better tasting than regular bread, but you could totally take that out. Please comment, like, and subscribe on this video if you would like more videos like this, and turn that little ding on so you hear the bell when I upload new videos. And ready for 4 hugs? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my easy egg breakfast, and let's give hugs for hugs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love you guys. Mwah.